Hello.
Hello.
I'm Alex.
And I'm James. And together we are both members of the Hickorycroft Farm family.
And today
we're going to show you our gardens. And these are our Kajari melons. They're doing quite well. There's some melons already growing, but some of them aren't ready, as well as one right down here. See that right there? Right there? That's a Kajari melon, and that's going to be soon ready. There's a lot of big Kajari melons over here. Oh.
As you can see, this is our basil. We have quite a few flowers, so there are a few that we're trying to let them go to seed. You see those ones with the flowers? We'll go around. Oh, and this is our mom. And these are our ones with the flowers. Oh, and these are our strawberries. They're doing pretty good.
There are some growing. See?
I'm gonna pick one. We'll save it for a snack later. Or you can eat it now. Back to the basil. And I also want to tell you the reasons why we are growing a garden. So the reasons why we have this garden is because some of the food at the store is not very healthy. So we want to make sure that we know what we're getting. And that's pretty much why.
Also, we have some eggplants right here. We also have these relish plants. I don't remember what they're called.
I'm pretty sure that they are.
Purslane. My mom said it was purslane.
And right now,
there's a ton of purslane in
right here.
Things.
And we have been making our own relish. It's very easy to make.
We have some watermelons growing. We had a watermelon growing that we didn't know about. This baby right here.
We already have one growing right there. Pretty cool, right? And we moved here last year on Halloween. And we have not gotten everything set up, but we have a pretty good setup here. And now we are going to the raspberries.
These are golden ones.
We have some golden raspberries. And they are very tasty. Maybe we should go show them the blackberries. And these are our tomatoes.
Look at it, Mom.
They need a little bit of pruning, but they're doing pretty well, actually. If you see there, we have two little ones. Oh, that one got eaten. But we have one.
And we have lots up here.
Okay.
Right there. See that, people? Right there.
And we also have a few right here. And these are some more strawberries right over here.
They're spreading to the next bed. See?
Uh-huh.
They use the vine to connect to the next bed.
There's some more purslane. And here are some more purslane and some more watermelon. And right here we have some lemongrass.
It's tasty.
And we also have some chives. The flowers taste really good, but there's not any more left. Well, not too many.
I'm eating some right now. No, wait.
Me and James are all having some lemongrass. It tastes pretty good, actually. Now we are making our way to the black raspberries. We have some already. Who wants a snack? Oh, seriously? Oh, sweet, I got it. Yummy.
Oh,
Would you like one, James?
I want.
Tasty?
We also use a lot of our fruit to make smoothies.
Yes, it's very good.